Yo, what's good everybody? Today we're back talking the benefits of vertical growing. Vertical growing is beneficial because it allows you to easily manage your crops. Through different stages of their life, your crops demand different things. So in the shop, for instance, we keep our younger crops at the front of the line and our older crops at the back. Because at the front of the line, theoretically, they would have access to the nutrients quicker, and at the rear, there would be less nutrients at the end of the line. Because as they get older, they're needing less nutrients to progress. So it's beneficial to keep the younger plants at the front of our system. Growing vertically is also beneficial because it allows you to maximize your growth space. When you're growing on a vertical plane, it sometimes doubles, maybe even triples the amount of growth space that you have to work with. And last and most importantly is that it's sustainable. The practices associated with growing on a vertical plane have shown to be minimally compromising to the environment. And because you're growing vertically, it can be easily done in a multitude of environments, whether it be indoor or outdoor.